Guys, I am running late, okay? This is the rice. This is the rice. I already took some out and put on my bowl. This is the rice. This is how the rice came out. Baby kidney beans, red beans with rice, okay? That's Haitian rice. Mama goose rice, okay? So, bam. I'm done with this. This is the steak. This is the steak, okay? Right here. I just cut it so I can put on my bowl. This is the rice and this is the plantain. Yes, you see my bowl? This is I'm gonna rock when I get home. I've been to work. Boom, I'm tired. That's why I'm talking like that. You see, this is it right here. So I cover it. This is one. And now I'm gonna take the meat out. I don't play. Queen Esther does not play. Yes, I'm going for a lot of food. See? I like a lot of gravy. Because, you know, when I used to cook for my kids, I had to make a lot of gravy so they can eat with their food. You see, onions. I don't put green pepper. I just put onions and scallions. Yes. Yes. You know people gonna hate me on this job. People gonna hate me. Oh, my God. I'm gonna show off. You see? It's soft. Very good. See? You see? Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay? Now, I take this. Oh, you want to see it again? Here it goes. Here's the steak. Here's the steak. Here's the steak. Take pictures. Tati vovo. Mais bon manger. Attendez, tati vovo. Mais bon manger. Abon faire manger. Okay? Sure. Leave it here. And then you already know I got one plantain left. So, this is my food to go to work. Look at it. Look at it. Yes. I was going to spend like $15 at Wawa to eat. So I bought a steak for $20. And this is the avocado. I don't cut it because I'm going with the whole one. I have two. I'm going with one. Yes. This is me. This is me getting ready to go to work. I'm late. I know how to cook. Learn how to cook. You know, you have to have this right here. Education. You have to be very educated. You gotta know how to cook. You gotta know how to, you know what I mean? For men to respect you. Don't say, oh, I'm so beautiful. I'm this. What your beauty gonna do? As you get older, your beauty might fade away. But what you have up here remains. And when you have your 10 fingers, meaning you know how to cook, shit, or men will love you forever. And the hell for the man, you love yourself forever. I love me. Queen Esther, I love you. I love you. I don't know if I could see my face, but I love you. En tout cas, moun yo, m'fin fè manger. That's it. I got to go.